Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this new model I designed a while back. This is an origami house, but not just any house. It transforms into a box. Yep, see? And the box is really nice because it's got a nice white trim here to make it look cooler. And yeah, and that step is actually optional, putting the trim on it. But I'm going to show you how to do that in this tutorial. And this is actually related to this origami box that I designed also back then. It's the same thing. Turns into a house, and you can turn it into a box like this. See? See, and this one doesn't have the trim on it, so this is the non-trim version. And I'll show you how to make this maybe in a couple days. So yeah. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this one with the trim on it. So, you can put stuff inside, like this. Yeah. This right here is an origami 3D pumpkin I designed. This is the model I actually designed today. Yep. And I'll show you how to make this when it gets closer to Halloween time. I still need to refine it first, because this is just the rough draft of it. But yeah. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this origami box. So ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a sheet of 6-inch kami. So for this model, it's best to use paper that's colored on one side and a different color on the other, if you want to put this trim on it. Okay, but for this one, you can use paper that's the same color on both sides. Okay, so let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. We're making a watermelon base. Unfold, and fold in half this way. Alright, and now fold to the top. Just make a watermelon base. This is my favorite way of making a watermelon base. Turn over and repeat. Alright, open the pocket, bring the sides together, and flatten. And there it is, the watermelon base. Okay, now fold both of these corners to the top. And repeat on this side also. Okay, unfold. And now rotate like this, and fold this corner to the top. Unfold, turn over, and let's erase the crease like this. And repeat. Okay, unfold, rotate, and now we're going to fold this raw edge up like this, and we're going to flatten this into a house shape, just like this. Just collapse it down like that. Alright, and turn over, and let's repeat on this side. Fold this up right on that crease, and collapse it down like this. Okay, like this, and now fold this flap up, turn over, and repeat on this side. Alright, so this is, here we have the base of it. So this is actually almost the completed model. See, you can pull it apart like this, and there's your box. And this is technically the completed model, actually. See? And I'm sure you might like it just like this. So you can end there if you'd like. This is a nice box. But I don't like how there's raw edges around it like that. That doesn't make it look quite as clean. But it doesn't really matter. It still works like a box. Okay, so, but in the tutorial that I'll put right here in a couple days, I'll show how to do that. So you can just fold this edge inside to make it raw edges. But yeah, that tutorial will be up there in a couple days. But I'm going to show you how to make it into a white trim like this, so it's no longer raw edges. So here's how to do that. So let's first, we're going to have to unfold it like this completely. Now turn over on this side and fold this edge to this crease like this. And yeah, you can fold all the way across. unfold, and fold to your crease. Alright, and keep that folded. That's the white trim. And repeat on this side. Alright, like this. And now, we have to kind of find the creases we did and recollapse it into the box. There we go. So there's the water bomb base trying to form right there. And yeah, we can go on this side. Yeah, make that fold like that. And this fold. And just kind of just recollapse everything on the existing creases like that. And once you did that, there is your box done. Open it up. Let that fold come out. See? And there's the box. See? And it's got a white trim on it, which makes it look cool. Yep. I really like this one too. This is the one I did. The tutorial for this one's actually already done. I just need to upload it, and I'll put that in the card in a couple days. But yeah. And here I want to show you this other model I just designed today too. This is one I designed today, like before I started the video. This is an origami drum. See? Yep, so it's an octagon drum. And this is my variation of Jeremy Schaefer's. See? Yep. And I'll show you how to make this model another time. But yeah. But anyway, so if you guys enjoyed folding this box and find it useful. Yep. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.